Welcome back. It's been another 2 weeks, but we're here. Decided I'm going to put the striker plates and the door hinges on the right hand side, driver's side door, and then I'm going to remove the front right wing because I want to fit the subframe, and not just, it won't be just fitting the subframe. I think I actually need to cut some bits away, which I think I've described to you in other videos, but the likes of this stuff will be getting cut away, so I want to remove that wing. I'll put it on a jack stand, remove the rotisserie jig, and then try and fit the subframe, figure out what needs cutting, and then get on with that. So that's my next port of order. And along with doing that, once the door is on the other side, fit, I'm going to then brace the car up properly so we don't have the palaver of what we've had this time on this side. So that's a plan. Fit the striker plates in the door, remove the wing, front right wing, and brace up the car. Let's get to it, I guess. So that's the first stage done. This door and the other door is in. This is only held in by one bolt each side. Each top and bottom is one bolt because they've snapped off and sheared off because they're rusty. So I will either order new hinges or weld some more thread on at some point. But for now, for me to take the wing off and brace the inside, the door is in, it latches, it's pretty much perfect. To say it's a foreign door to this chassis. So yeah, pretty happy with that. I never thought well, I did think that, but I thought it'd be way later down the line to see two doors in the actual Mini. Very excited. So now I'm just going to continue and remove this wing, and then in the next couple of days, because I don't have a lot of time now, I've got to go to work soon, I'll get in there and I'll brace the inner chassis, whatever I just said. Let's do it.
About this pain I owe. On my team we got winners, sinners, singers, serious billers. Who's Coco Pops, then so came before rape, no serial killer.
piercing no dente, peças da frente e as diferentes. Anda gastando com que veio pra esconder o que sente, mas na minha frente cê se arrepende. Sua influência favorita foi tá na minha DM, aquela lá das make. Eu sei que cê sabe bem, né? E não adianta tentar fingir que não te afeta, baby. Nem adianta tentar fingir que você já não sente. Eu sei que você mente, no fundo cê sabe também. Então me fala, e que eu já não sou mais o amor da sua vida.
What a good productive day. Look at this. There is no wing, front right wing on the front of this vehicle, and the driver's side doors fitted. Kind of. Yeah, I don't know where the nut is for that. I've got a nut for that. I've got a nut for that. This thread snapped off. No phones at work. Anyway, yeah. This looks like something you'd see deep sea diving in the Great Barrier Reef. But it's off. I didn't cut it off as nicely as I wanted to, but that's all that matters, I guess, because this bit won't exist. This bit obviously needs to come off and get refit when the engine and the subframe go in. Because I believe I'm going to mount the lower grille section to the subframe. That's my thoughts. So for today, I'm pretty much done. I'm just going to do a bit of cleaning up, and then next time I'm going to come and brace the inside. Remember, because all them flipping videos ago, it's a nightmare to get the door fit, so I'm hoping this time, yeah, I mean, look at the door gap. This is a foreign door to this car, and the door gap's delicious. So yeah, brace the inside of the car next time. And that's it for this video. I will see you all next week. Right then, nice easy day today. No technical stuff or all like that, or dirty stuff. I'm going to try and brace it up, but I've just figured out a problem. I might not even have the metal to brace it up. So I'm going to look around, try and find that metal. If not, then I'm going to have to go to the shop and buy some out. And along with that, if I have time, I'm going to tidy this stuff up, because I'm very aware it's getting dusty. So I'm going to put everything in bags, maybe take it home, or I've got some huge storage boxes at home, so I might go get them and bag them all up, label them, put them in storage properly, because I don't want to ruin the stuff before I even use it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get into it. I found the metal, but it's not a lot, so before any of you come at me in the comments, right, for not using the right stuff or bracing it properly, this is all I've got, so it's what I'm going to use. Fortunately, this one will go across the whole Mini. These two, probably going to try and figure out how to put them the lengthways of the door. I don't know if it's a mistake, but I don't think I'm going to brace that side. That side's already done. That might be a mistake, but oh well. And these, I might try and weld them together, because they're just long enough to go down there too. So I'm just going to bodge it, figure it out, and brace it up better than it is. Let's crack on. Right, so I reckon it's officially braced up. Let's have a look at it. Got this little rod near the bottom end, fatter rod near the top, and obviously a rod all the way across. Set fine to the plastic, which is always nice. And I forgot to film it, but I'll clean this up. And surprisingly, it doesn't need replacing. It's good nick. So that's one less panel. So basically now, all I need to do, I need to order the floor and all the panels that go with that. Let me think. It's the floor in it. It's the floor, scuttle panel, and there's a few panels there. A panel, because all that is completely rotten. But before I do that, I've just remembered I haven't. Let me just show you. The subframe bolts here, the rear subframe bolts. This section is missing from the passenger side. So before I take this floor out, I need to order this panel, the subframe mounting panel for the passenger side, weld that in, get a rear subframe, bolt it in to make sure it's all good, and then I can start cutting this out. So yeah, obviously you know the reason for that. If I don't put them bolts in and the subframe doesn't fit, and I cut that out, you know, so yeah. A lot of money to be spent. So it might be a while. In the meantime, while I'm saving up for all that, because that's a good chunk of 700 quid that. Maybe not 700 quid, but maybe. I think the floor's about 200 quid. I think the subframe is about 200 quid, second hand. And then the other panels, yeah, probably 500, 600, 700 quid. Anyway, I'm going to be saving up for that, and while I'm doing that, I'll be cleaning up the rest of the Mini. That'll be it for this video, and I shall see you all next week. Thanks for watching.